Hey guys, welcome to my channel SASSY SREEJA and I am SREEJA. So in this video I have created this brown eye makeup look with bold lips as you can see. So if you want to know how I have created, then keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, like my videos and comments down below. And let's jump into the video. So guys, before starting with makeup, please make sure your face is totally clean. So here first step is the moisturizer, and for this I am using Plum green tea mattifying moisturizer. It has a mattifying effect, so it is very good for the oily skin type. Massage it properly. अभी मैं आई मेकअप से स्टार्ट करूंगी. So for that I am applying Maybelline Fit Me concealer and applying all over my eyelid. And then blending it with the beauty blender. Take your time and blending it well. After blending the concealer, now I am gonna be applying Adidas loose banana powder to set my concealer. I am buffing with a small blending brush and leave it for 4 to 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I will be doing my eyebrows. For combing my eyebrows, I am using a spoolie and filling it with my eyebrow pencil, which is of NY Bay eyebrow pencil. I will be providing all the product links in the description box and mentioning my shade there, so please make sure you are checking that out. So I am done with my eyebrows and now dusting off the extra loose powder from the eyelid. For eyeshadow, here I am using the Fashion Factory Nude eyeshadow palette and firstly applying the beige color from the palette and applying all over my lid. Then I will be taking the lighter brown color from the palette and applying my crease area and outer V region and blending it with a smaller blending brush. Slowly and gradually building the transition color. Now for intensifying the color, I am taking a shade darker from the palette of the previous one and placing it below the crease line. Now I am taking the darker brown color from the Wet n Wild palette and place all over my eyelid. Eyelid area is the darker brown and the transition is the lightest brown color. You can see how perfectly my eyeshadow is looking. So then I am just removing my extra fallout from eyeshadow and start with the face makeup. For face makeup, here I am using the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer, and please make sure you are applying primer before starting makeup. Taking a pea-size amount of primer and depositing it around my nose mainly and then all over my face. Here I am using the Faces Canada Weightless Matte Finish Foundation and applying all over my face like dot type with my fingers. Now it's time for blending. Blending it properly by dab motion. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is SassyGirlSREEJA and I'll provide the link on the description box, so please make sure you are checking. I have blended it well, and then to highlight my under eye areas, I am using the same Fit Me concealer to highlight my under eye, bridge of my nose, cupid bow and chin area. Guys, I have already made a video of 5 minutes quick and easy makeup look. If you haven't checked that out, I will put the link on the description box and the I button, so you can check that out from there. Now it's time for blending. जो जगह पे मैं कंसीलर लगाया है, बस उसी जगह में मैं blending करूँगी. Don't rub while blending, just pat and blend. After blending, I am again using the same loose powder for baking. बेकिंग बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप होती है टू लॉक द कंसीलर. इससे कंसीलर क्रीज नहीं होते हैं. Now I will be contouring my face. For this, I am again using the Wet n Wild palette and contouring the hollows of my cheek, side of my nose, my jawline, and a little bit to my hairline area. And I am taking the darkest brown shade here. Blending the contour area with the sponge to get the flawless finish. color on the outer region and the lighter color to the inner region of my eye. I am taking the champagne color from the palette to highlight my inner corner of my eyes and lower region of my eyebrows. Nextly, removing the extra loose powder of baking. For eyeliner, I am using Lakme Absolute Eyeliner and drawing a very thin wing eyeliner here. I am just extending my eyeliner and you can see the difference. For mascara, I am using the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara and coating the upper lashes and lower eyelashes as well. And for blush, I am taking the pinkish color from the palette and placing onto my cheek areas. I am done, and the last part is the lipstick. Here I am using the Bella Voste lipstick in the shade 03 Berry Shy. And lastly comes the most favorite part of my makeup is the highlighter. Here I am using the Maybelline Mustard Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold and highlighting my highest point of my cheeks, my cupid bow, my chin, and I am done.